How to switch to a demo account in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this episode, we will be learning how you can easily switch to a demo account or get the demo account on Mitrade. So first of all, make sure to open up your Mitrade application on your device, whichever device you are using, and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into the homepage of Mitrade, go to the bottom of the screen and on the right corner, you'll see the Hub button, tap on it. Inside the Hub page, go ahead and scroll down and look for a Switch to Demo option, tap on it, and you'll be able to switch to a demo account. In your demo account, you'll be provided with virtual funds. You can practice trading before switching to the live account so that you can minimize your risk. So that's how you switch to a demo account in Mitrade and practice using virtual funds before trading with real money. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.